Hello everyone. Let's solve this problem very quickly. We have 3x squared plus x minus 2 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation and we are going to solve this using completing the square method. Okay? Now, when using completing the square method, the first thing you do is to take the constant to the right. So, we'll have 3x squared plus x equal to 0 plus 2, and that is 2. Now, the next thing you will do, the next step is to divide everything by the coefficient of the x squared here, which is 3. So I divide this by 3. I will divide this by 3. Then I will divide this by 3. So that this will go with this. And then I will have x squared plus x over 3 equals to 2 over 3. Remember, we are using difference of two squares. By the way, you can rewrite this and get x squared plus 1 over 3x equal to 2 over 3. So that this way you will know that the coefficient of x is 1 over 3, right? Now, the third step you're going to take is to get the half of this coefficient and square it. Half of this coefficient, square it, and then add it to both sides, right? The coefficient is 1 over 3. The half of this is to divide this by 2, okay? And this implies that we are having 1 over 3 times 1 over 2, right? And this means we will be having 1 over 6 as the half of the coefficient here. So we're going to square this and then add this to both sides, right? And then as I'm going to add this to both sides, this will be withdrawn. This will be taken away, right? So that if I do that, I have x squared plus 1 over 6 squared equal to 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6 squared as well. Okay, so let's continue. And then from here, we're going to combine these two since they're having, both of them are having power 2. So I have x plus 1 over 6 to the power of 2 being equal to 2 over 3 plus 1 over 36. How did I get it 36? 1 squared is 1, 6 squared is 36. Now I will deal with the right hand side first. So I have x plus 1 over 6 squared to be equal to 2 over 3 plus, okay, I'm to get the LCM, right? Okay, let me take another step. I have 1 over 36. Now I will find the LCM of this, right? So x plus 1 over 6 squared equal to the LCM here is 36. And then 36 divided by 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24 plus 36 divided by 36 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, if we continue, then x plus 1 over 6 squared is equal to 25 over 36. Remember that we are using difference of two squares, right? Now, the next thing is to take the square root of both sides so that this squared will be moved. Now, x plus 1 over 6 will be equal to positive or negative square root of 25 over 36. Okay, so this is what we have. And then from here, we are going to have that x plus 1 over 6 is equal to positive or negative square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 36 is 6. Then from here, we are going to make x the subject And if we do that, then x will be equal to, okay, we can write this first, plus or minus, we have 5 over 6 minus 1 over 6. Okay, now this can be written or broken into two. So we have x equal to 5 over 6 minus 1 over 6, or minus 5 over 6 minus 1 over 6. So I'm using positive here first and I'm using negative here now, right? So from here, x will be equal to, the LCM is 6, then 5 minus 4. Or on this side, the LCM is still 6, then we have minus 5 minus 1. Right? By the way, how did I have this 4? This is supposed to be 1. So we have 5 minus 1, right? Now, let us continue. Okay. Let me finish it here. So that from here, we can have x to be equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. So we have 4 over 6. Or minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. Then we have minus 6 over 6, right? Now, if we continue, x will be equal to 4 over 3 is 4 over 6 is the same as 2 over 3. If we divide both sides by 2, or on this side, minus 6 over 6 is minus 1. Okay, so from here, we now have the two values of x that satisfy the equation. Thank you for watching, and do not forget that the method we have used is completing the square method. And for those of you that must have forgotten the steps, let me remind you the steps again. The first thing you will do is taking the constant to the right. That's how this came about. And then dividing both sides by the constant, the coefficient of x squared. Okay, so you divide all through by the coefficients, and then you will look for half of the coefficient of x, which is 1 over 3. Get its half and then square it and add to both sides. I think from there you will be able to proceed. Thank you, and if you love this video, please do well to share this to more learners so that they can learn. Thank you for watching. God bless.